Learning English without a teacher may seem challenging, but it is entirely possible with the right strategies, dedication, and mindset. Many people around the world have successfully taught themselves English by immersing themselves in the language, practicing consistently, and using a variety of resources. Whether you don't have access to a teacher or simply prefer to learn independently, there are effective ways to improve your English skills on your own. One of the best ways to learn English without a teacher is through immersion. Surround yourself with the language as much as possible by changing the language settings on your phone, computer, and social media accounts to English. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos with subtitles to develop listening skills while enjoying entertainment. Listening to English songs and podcasts is also a great way to train your ears to recognize different accents and improve pronunciation naturally. Reading is another powerful way to learn English independently. Start with simple books, news articles, or blogs in English that match your interests. Reading aloud is a powerful technique that improves both pronunciation and fluency. When you articulate words clearly, you train your mouth to produce English sounds more naturally. Additionally, keeping a vocabulary journal is a great habit to expand your word bank. Whenever you encounter a new word, write it down along with its definition and an example sentence. Instead of immediately reaching for a dictionary, try to guess the meaning from context, as this strengthens your ability to think in English and develop language intuition. Furthermore, maintaining a daily journal in English can refine your grammar, enhance sentence structure, and allow you to express your thoughts freely. Over time, this will boost both your confidence and your ability to communicate effectively. Speaking practice is crucial even when learning without a teacher. A highly effective method is talking to yourself in English. Describe your daily activities. Think in English instead of translating from your native language, and even record yourself speaking. This helps you become more comfortable with forming sentences naturally. Another excellent technique is shadowing, where you listen to native speakers and repeat their sentences as closely as possible, mimicking their pronunciation, rhythm, and tone. To take your speaking skills even further, try finding language exchange partners online through platforms like HelloTalk, Tandem, or Speaky, where you can connect with native speakers or other learners. Additionally, joining English-speaking communities on Discord, Reddit, or WhatsApp allows you to engage in real conversations, which will significantly improve both your fluency and confidence. Technology has made it easier than ever to learn English independently. Language learning apps such as Duolingo, Anki, Memrise, and Quizlet help you build vocabulary through interactive exercises and spaced repetition. For listening practice, platforms like BBC Learning English, VOA Learning English, and TED Talks offer valuable content with clear and engaging speech. If writing is a challenge, tools like Grammarly and Hemingway Editor can refine your grammar, suggest better sentence structures, and help you become a more effective writer. Additionally, you can take advantage of free courses on websites such as Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube, where experienced instructors provide lessons tailored to different aspects of English learning, from pronunciation to business communication. To stay motivated and track your progress effectively, it's essential to set clear, realistic, and achievable goals for yourself. Learning a language is a journey that requires patience and persistence, so breaking it down into smaller, measurable tasks will help you stay focused and inspired. Start by challenging yourself to incorporate English into your daily routine in meaningful ways. For instance, aim to learn 5 new words daily and use them in sentences or conversations to reinforce your memory. Make it a habit to read at least one English article or short story every day, whether it's from an online news website, a blog, or an English learning app. This will not only expand your vocabulary, but also improve your reading comprehension and expose you to different writing styles. Speaking practice is just as important. Set a simple goal like speaking in English for at least 5 minutes every morning. You can talk about your plans for the day, describe what you see around you, or even summarize what you read the previous day. If you're unsure about what to say, record yourself and listen back to identify areas for improvement. Keeping a progress journal is another powerful tool to track your development. Write down new words, phrases, grammar rules, or expressions you encounter, along with your thoughts and reflections in English. You can also set weekly challenges such as writing a short story, composing an email, or summarizing a video you watched. Recording yourself at regular intervals can be a great way to measure your improvement. Start by recording a short introduction of yourself, then compare it with a new recording after a month of consistent practice. You'll be amazed at how much more confident and fluent you sound. Additionally, using self-evaluation techniques, such as setting milestones, e.g., holding a 10-minute conversation without hesitation or writing a full page without translating, will help you stay accountable and motivated. Engaging in online English learning communities can make a huge difference in your learning journey. Platforms like Quora, Facebook groups, Reddit forums, Discord servers, or WhatsApp study groups provide excellent opportunities to interact with fellow English learners and even native speakers. In these communities, you can ask questions, share experiences, seek advice, and participate in discussions on various topics. Not only will this keep you inspired, but it will also expose you to different perspectives.
Many of these platforms host language exchange sessions, group challenges, and speaking clubs, where you can practice real conversations and get valuable feedback. To make learning even more immersive, consider changing the language settings on your phone, computer, and apps to English. Follow English-speaking influencers, join forums related to your interests, and listen to English podcasts while commuting. By surrounding yourself with English daily, you will develop a natural feel for the language and gain confidence in using it spontaneously. Even without a teacher, learning English is completely possible if you stay consistent, curious, and dedicated. The key is to create an immersive environment where English is naturally integrated into your daily activities. Instead of seeing it as a difficult task, make it enjoyable. Treat it like a fun challenge where every new word, phrase, or sentence is a step closer to fluency. The most important thing is to keep practicing, stay motivated, and never be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of the learning process and a sign of progress. With determination and the right resources, you can master English independently and confidently. Whether you're reading, speaking, writing, or listening, every effort you put in will bring you closer to fluency. Stay committed, celebrate small victories, and enjoy the process of discovering a new language. Remember, the more you practice, the better you become. So keep pushing forward, believe in yourself, and embrace the journey of learning English.